for oil tanks caught fire at the depot near Klintsy. Fire has broken out over a large area of an oil storage depot in southern Russia, after officials say it was hit by a Ukrainian drone. Russian media say four oil tanks caught alight, and the fire then spread over an area of 1,000 square m, 10,763 square feet. Russian authorities in the Bryansk region say no one was hurt. The Bryansk governor said the drone was intercepted near the town of Klintsy and its explosives then fell on the oil depot. The drone strike is the second on Russian oil facilities in 2 days. An unprecedented attack targeted a major oil loading terminal in Russia's second city, St. Petersburg, on Thursday. Russian reports suggested the drone was shot down without causing damage, but there were indications in Kyiv that the attack, so far from the Ukrainian border, marked a new phase in strategy. Yes, last night we hit the target. This thing crossed 1,250 kilometers, 776 miles last night, said Ukraine's Strategic Industries Minister Oleksandr Kamyshin on Thursday. Russia's defense ministry said on Friday that its air defense systems had brought down a Ukrainian drone over Bryansk. At 6:40 local time, 3:40 GMT, and regional head Alexander Bogomaz said later that further drones had been destroyed without damage. As the fire raged for several hours at the Klintsy oil depot some 70 kilometers north of the Ukrainian border, black smoke was seen billowing over neighboring railway tracks. More than 30 people were evacuated, the governor added. There were also reports of a drone strike on a gunpowder factory near the city of Tambov, hundreds of kilometers northeast of the Ukrainian border. A source at Ukraine's main intelligence directorate told media. In Kyiv, there would be further attacks on military targets inside Russia, as most of its air defense and electronic warfare systems had been concentrated in occupied parts of Ukraine. Reuters. Russia is boosting its forces in Ukraine, with these volunteers lining up in Chechnya earlier this week. Russia has made little progress in its full-scale invasion of Ukraine in recent months, but the defense ministry claims to have captured the village of Vesel on Thursday, close to the devastated city of Bakhmut in Ukraine's eastern Donetsk region. Kyiv has not confirmed the claim. Ukraine has warned repeatedly that its army is facing severe ammunition shortages, but has set a target of producing 1 million drones domestically this year. Kamyshin pointed out that the drone that targeted St. Petersburg on Thursday cost only $350 to make. Meanwhile, German Defense Minister Boris Pistorius has become the latest senior European figure to warn that Russia could seek to expand its war with Ukraine to a NATO member state in the coming years. We hear threats from the Kremlin almost every day, most recently again against our friends in the Baltic states, he told Tages Spiegel newspaper. Our experts calculate that in a period of 5